I am not a GRE guy. I know simple English, but I have a friend. He's in US. That guy who did two useless things at the same time. I was having a conversation with him on WhatsApp. He sends me a text message. Manoj, I'm flabbergasted. Blabber. Why is he scolding me? That too in French. And later he says, no, flabbergasted means I am surprised. Now I am surprised. If surprised is the word, why can't you use that directly? Surprised is so simple. It has less syllables. You spend less energy when you say surprised. Moreover, I am a middle class guy living in a 1 BHK house. I can only be surprised. There is no room for me to get flabbergasted. Only one bedroom. Where will I go? And the same guy asked me, Manoj, do you know the meaning of the word candid? Like, what's candid? Is it the past tense of can do? Or is it something like Candy Crush? You are going to send me request against Cherupaliya Adipan. And later he says, no. It's an English word. It has a meaning. Hey, frankly, I don't know. That's the meaning. See, why do you want to invent a new word when you already have a word which conveys the same meaning? Why are you confusing me? Because until one of my friends took me for a treat in a fancy star hotel, I never knew the word starters existed. First day I am learning the word starters. The waiter comes to me with a smile on his face and asks me politely, sir, what starter you want? Whatever you give, I will start. The waiter got flabbergasted. That's a flabbergasted face that day I saw. That's how you flabbergast someone. In a conversation, if they don't have a comeback, they are flabbergasted. What is the point in arranging your food items, man? Like, what starter you want? Like, ascending order, descending order. Like, why? It's not that if you eat in the wrong order someday, your stomach is not going to say no. They say you start your lunch with curd rice someday. Your stomach will never be like a small intestine. Large intestine, take position, we have a situation. This guy is starting his lunch with curd rice today. That is not acceptable as per our usage policy. Let's block it and choke him to death. Attack! Stomach is one of the nicest things to happen to us. It will accept everything in whatever order you eat. It will digest everything except Saridon or Crocin or any headache tablet for that matter of fact. Because in the history of headache tablet advertisement, no tablet will go to your stomach. You eat your tablet, it will go here. It will go here. It will come here. Out of nowhere, it will take a magical U-turn and go to your head. It will start rotating. Some photosynthesis, electrolysis, chemical reaction will happen. And it will produce a white color smoke. That smoke will go all over your body. And then it will cure your headache. The truth is, only after seeing that ad, I will get a headache. Then I learned this term called brunch. Has anyone been to a brunch? Like, why? People are eating between breakfast and lunch. Why? Ideally, you know what you should do between breakfast and lunch? You should wait. 11:30, 2 more hours, my lunch will be ready, I will wait. That's a normal human behavior. Paying 1,399 plus GST for a stupid brunch buffet and irritating a 1 BHK middle class guy like me? Not normal, man. But still, I have respect for English as a language because it has some cool terms. Have you seen this? Some terms like WhatsApp, cool guy, hanging out with friends. These terms sound nice only in English. Try translating them in any language. WhatsApp, மேல என்ன இருக்கு? Cool guy, ஜில்லுன்னு இருக்காம்பா. Hanging out with friends. Friends-ஓட தான் தொங்கின்னு இருந்தேன். And English is also this magical language in the world which makes bad habits sound good. If you drink alcohol, what do you call them? Alcoholic. Such a nice posh 3 BHK term. Alcoholic. In Tamil, you call him Kudigaran. The moment you tag someone as Kudigaran, you will lose respect for that guy. Your mother will warn you. Avan Kudigaran, avan kuda serada. And if you drink occasionally, social drinker. In Tamil, Samudaya Kudigaran doesn't work.